blow. Now I want you to focus on your lower back. Is it contracting? Is it expanding? Now concentrate on your abs, and only your abs. Do you feel them contract? دلوقتي, what did you feel?
The music program organized its first workshop for on-stage performance for voice talents. With Nesma Mahgoub as a mentor, this workshop offers a unique opportunity for aspiring young artists to enhance their vocal and communicative capabilities.
We have a few hours, so we will skip some parts, but
At first, it started with some breathing exercises,
where do they go? Outwards?
followed by vocal exercises. Then some tips on how to prepare for an on-stage performance.
Very beginning of the day, from the moment you wake up until the performance.
Each performer got the chance to perform a song and did individual work with Nesma.
Your turn it back, sir. At least I didn't fake it, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but whether I'm a rose or true perfection for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself by hurting you.
Nice. Where do you think is the best time to move? Okay? Like while you were here, what were...
This workshop is about stage performance, and I've been teaching stage performance for a few years here in the AUC, and we decided to try and make a workshop out of it that's only one day. It's usually a course, a full course in a semester, and this is the first time we try it, and I think it's doing. It's succeeding. I have a feeling, so, and I hope I can repeat it again for students who are not majoring or minoring in music. So it gives an opportunity for them to learn more about performing on stage.
Your spray, your material, your...
The workshop's main objective was to make sure the performers can express themselves while performing in front of an audience.
Fascinação,
A lot of students, they sing, they love singing, and they learn songs, but they don't know how to stand on stage and perform it in front of an audience. So a workshop like this is giving them the chance to explore themselves, to face their fears, the anxieties, to understand and interpret the song, to be able to deliver the message of the song to the audience, and to be able to sing and move and express themselves in front of people, not just sing alone in their home or something like that.
الوركشوب حسسني قد ايه مهم ان الواحد psychologically prepare البرفورمانس الاول، انه it plays a huge part او كده، وانه getting into الكاركتر بتاع الاغنيه is very important، لان once you create قصه معينه في دماغك ده بيفصلك عن your own self، فانت مش بتبقى self aware للدرجه دي، لان it feels like you're in another mental state و it helps you get into the mood. بعد كل ده الواحد بيحس انه هو he loosened up شويه، فبيبقى مش متوتر قوي for the performance.
This workshop gave the performers a chance to learn more about themselves and to be more comfortable in front of people. Sherif Azmi, AUCTV.